Today we're going to learn all about Myblocks. So why Myblocks are so useful is this is my follow line program, which we sometimes use multiple times in a program. And I don't want to drag all these blocks and put in all these numbers every single time. I want to just come down here and bring down up one single block and have it all pre-built. So what we can do is select everything, make sure to not select the start block, come down to Tools, My Block Builder. We can set the name, line follow, and it can't have any spaces, so let's go underscore. This will follow a line for the description. And for the icon, let's do a light sensor. Here you can set parameters, which I will show you. For this line follow, we're going to have 3. And you can select the first one, come to parameter setup, set a name. So this is going to be the factor. And we're going to set it as an input, a number. Default, I'm going to put it to 2. And we want to have it, we can either have a horizontal or vertical slider, but we want one of these. Keep the maximum 100 and negative 100. This we will have as target value. Set that to 50. Here, and that is correct. Actually, no, for a target value, we want minimum to be 0. And now for this last one, this is going to be distance. And let's set the default to 500. Again, vertical slider. And because this is going to be in degrees for my program, I'm going to set the minimum to 10,000 and the maximum to 10,000. Because we want to have full freedom of how far we want to go. Now we can set these icons. So the first one is factor, so I like to do an X. Next one is target value, so a color. Last one is distance, so something like number, distance, whichever you like. Now we can click finish. Now it'll come down here as a Myblock, and what we can do, if you did put in the parameters, is you need to drag these to which number they are for. So in this program, the factor is this one, the target value is 50, and the distance is in there. Now that will save, and say let's create a new program, and we want to follow a line. So we come down to the Myblocks, and boom. And now in here, we can change the factor, the target value, and the distance, and everything is preset. Now we can see what it is. If we double click it, we can jump inside of it. Another cool thing about Myblocks is you can export them. So come over here and you can go click on it. It's called Myblock. We can export it as Myblock and then save that. And now what we can do is import Myblocks. So say we have a new program, we can import, find Myblocks, and then import that Myblock into our other projects. So Myblocks can be very convenient if you are trying to do multiple complicated bits of code multiple times.